Ka State Coordination Coal Miners, Dealers and Transporters Association Henek sengi kalai poterik benai naitung arjar arpsau kalapan pau kejing persya alor kejing bu kendon jok sorkar jela batang ke badon jaka sispa hektar kinyo benti dawyang hapo kejela Mikhalia nagaliang wei nikit khot jong kani ka forum uba regional sila habai keren berkinok tok kebor silong press club lo pentip bakani kejingbu kendon ke sorkar jela kakta bhai ketrai jaka ke bedon pardo yong shushu nakaliang jong ni orang ba ulong ba nakaliang ke forum kalapa dak city so menteri rang ba ke jela konrad sangma hak artarik naitung arjar arpusau dak ba kentu ya ke sorkar ban wengno ya ketei ke kendon basya di dawyong tang ke bedon jaka kabahe hadu sispa hektar bat hagaju kapor mat kmi bnia biang ya ka SOP susu ni orang ba aloi turu basian ka forum ka sapelong di program bania lapaj ba hakitan khasi jantia man pensngau tu halor ka jingbam ya hap ki kendon lani ki SOP ki bak sorkar jela Mikhalia ka ai habede bat ka kamti dawyang
laliang jonga nga kwa ban introduce na kertemu ba regional sila bat ngadeu Wai now dapat ba pura jongga forum the State Coordination of Coal Miners and Dealers Transporter Associations kabayalang kumadaw chairman ba Don Burom Jongi uba Sony Kriam ta hakan ko por ek ba penlong ini ba banaya ke press conference kadaw concern kadai ba ngaliang ka forum nila raise up ye ka issue ka jinga dai bat ka scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya but kibun ki research ki lat klinting ni wat namta ban wat ye klinti ban pentri kamno ye ka scientific coal mining in the state of Meghalaya kumju ye gitu ki pajbaro ki badan jaka kabah pok ka cispa hectares kumba la paskai daga sorkar jela ba kajaka namta ban apply ya prospecting license lani mining list kamla banduna si inch ro ya ka cispa hectares tegane kala kum yo pajba ya barok kowe ka jela Mikhalia jungi kiba im kamai jakpok daga nega kam kiba kwa ban wan bi chakmat ban apply ke prospecting license lani ke mining list tega daliang jonga lembaga jing kerjaan jonga forum ngala persyang ban pha kajing tho so honorable chief minister Sri Conrad K Sangma honorable minister in charge of mining and geology department haka artarik benai benyo arjar besar kanega memorandum of bill Mengapa so honorable chief minister kala nang sim ngene publish haneni ngi request ya government kabankom ngi request ban wenno ya ka sispa hectare bat ban review ya ka SOP manwat ki kita ki lat klinti lembagi legal expert lembagi environmental expert banduna ya ka area ka sispa hectare tiga baar ni dawan ka sorkar ba lara ka sorkar kamla ban pendunai ke sispa actors tai ka sarkar kadai ban research lane ka sarkar kadai ban set ya ki expert committee ka jingan dai ban le research Nagaland ha Assam kumno ki pentrai duyong lembaga artikel laispa ni poi nomor ba kana aga jalan Nagaland lembaga artikel laispa ni poi ki pentrai mining but kane ka mining ka ba ki pentrai apa ka jalan Nagaland ki pentrai apa ka jaka ka ba hectares within 2 hectares of land they are doing mining operation in the state of Nagaland and even in Assam in some parts like Dimasa and in Tinsukia in Margreta they even continue mining small scale mining they are practicing like similar to the state of Meghalaya only. So this mining in the state of Nagaland and Assam, they are prescribed as legally mining, but in our state Meghalaya, coal is illegal since 10 years, since 2014 after the ban of the NGT. So ka sarkar jilla kam sim kia ka jing dei kane ka jing pha jong ka forum jing dei ban yekren jing kane ka mat ka issue te lang ta ka daw ka naliang jong ka forum ngala ya kendo bat ki members jeng ki executive member but baru president chairman barang ba upa Soni Kriam banya discuss ke issue te nakadaw baka sarkar ka klem simkia ya kene ka issue ya kene ka mat kene ka jinga jong pajba ka forum kala sim ni karai daga berkat sanipa ngila sim ni karai bangin ya chakrang pat min pelong yaki jingalang pajba Southwest Kasi district Shatang Namstoin Jaga Gibadan Doyong Jagaro Hills pan na isin tiang ngila na sudah hanum nai ba dap ngila dap pelong ka jingalang te ka forum ka step ka baga forum kan sim ban khot jingalang gi pajba ban pusai gi pajba bat ka step ka baar ngisne don kame ban pam jingsan lagi nomi khmat bodon brom jungi khamtam gi MP jong jela Meghalaya kuntuk ya barok langut ki MP arngut ki dei ki job lembaga election but iway de elected Raja Sabha MP tengila pha daga jingtho so honorable member of parliament Sri Salangi Sangma bodai MP jong Congress taliang di forum but so honorable member of parliament Sri AG Sengkon bodai MP jong Shillong parliamentary constituency but bodai naga party BPP but ngila pha so honorable member of the Raja Sabha Sri W Kharluki bodai naga party NPP watla da ka sarkar ka kem simkhia ya kimat ki jura ki isu jong ki pajba ba penpau da forum ahmat jong sarkar jelaro andai ka forum kamdon kano ga jing ya per jimut bat ka sarkar andai ni sneu don kame ban pha so ba W Kharluki ro nomor ba kadon kam ya kini ki MP jungi bakin boten ya kani kam se Delhi lani ha parliament ban tokit pa ceki Ministry of Coal India kenang bangin nang yo susu ke jingtip ba ka kalat kalenti ka bangila ban pentri kam apa ke jelam Meghalaya for applying prospecting license or mining lease should not be less than 100 hectares ini ke 100 hectares ka ladingi convert into acres kadai more than 240 acres plus kadai ka area ka paheba but keeping in mind that it is not possible to do coal mining in the state of Meghalaya with an area of more than 100 hectares. Tekatakan ko gajing pisai jungi, bat kabaar kadai gajing pisai jungi ba yigi pajba ba ka forum kala simi ka senjam ban yat lenti sakmat bat ngila challenge ya kane ka SOPro hakaha honorable high court jongka jela Meghalaya. Ta ka hi ka main purpose jongka forum ban pisai pajba kadai ba lembaga research jongka forum apa gajingalam chairman barang ba jongi Soni Kriam pi ka ngadon ki ain ke bangila de research lembaga forum pi katkum ka ain juga sarkar pedeng ane ka sarkar India hapo ke dia recognize person penyu adon ane somewhere is ya hapo ke dia recognize person penyu chapter 4 section 22D ane ko ong ba minimum area for mining lease should be for an area not more than should be for an area not less than 4 hectares. Lani apa kasah hectares ngila ban take up ya kita ki ban apply ya prospecting license ngila ban putra ya mining. The kumno beyond which law which provision the state government set and prescribing the minimum area of 100 hectares. Tegane way ba kalong bagi sarkar ka kwa ban le jubor ya ka kamai ka ji jong pajba ka sarkar ka kwa ban kini jubor ya ka hok ka jong pajba daga ba ala tang ya ki kan ne ka to ba don jaka ba don la pa dia kan ne gam dei tang ka forum ba te ka ya kini ka isu la da pikmau ka hau kan reu tarik nombor arajar arfoar kita na salat ne channel jong salat asalat kami kawai ka press release kibala ai da ki sandali ki seng da ka belam kamad da ka HYC but kane kibala thau sai pa do weu na nongelam seng balang baramba zungi uba Robin Jude Karjarin ubanang sudah pilih election MP ba contest election MP aga naga silang parliamentary council naga party UDP aga naga sama ada besar te aga ne ula ong sai ba uru ong ba kane ka sispa actors kadai ba sarkar me clear ka panmi ya kane ka SB kadai tang ban favor yaki high level tangi katne ka tumut kibreu kane ka mereka jing ong kadai ka jing jong president barang ba jangga HYC but ula prescribe angero bagamdan satya kata ka ai bapila bapila ban bo baka sarkar kala ban bo ya kata cakap ke bacis pa actors kamdan satya kata ka ai kum ka ai juga MMDR kat kendai spa sampanyo kadai it should not be less than 4 actors kadai tangga tai kamdan we challenge sepak honorable high court jong jalan meklia ya bacis pa actors kai kada go long ini bangin challenge ne number bon ki pajba ki bakwa ban tribune ki badan pa nganan saya pi ke besuk pa ngang nang banyak kali alai ngang don license ka an kam sa nga banyak kali ngang don par doyong ndai ngam don ka jaga ka bispactors ngam don license ka an gadum sa nga ban tribune te dan ni snow kia ya ngane ba ni ro ni kwa ban tribune tan ta ka ni file ka court ni kmi ya justice bang nyo justice baga court kan bisa ni baga court kan ai ya karai kebayo jumto yo pajba babon balang baro dan kebayo justice bandunan no kan inspector ban gweng no namar ka ai ka klem ong ba pihak bandon ya kejaga ka bacis faktas banyo ban trai maning hapok ka taro dan te sokowi ngala patay pi ka ai juga MMDR te larangi phai saga environmental and forest clearance law environmental forest clearance law clearance also go through and supplement every fresh grant of mining lease in respect of major minerals abang yung major mineral that means even coal is also a major minerals with a mining lease area exceeding 5.0 hectares 5.0 hectares that means 5 hectares of land and their extensions and modulations has to obtain site clearance and environmental clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest MOEF, Government of India, also for prospecting and exploration of major minerals in areas above 500 hectares have to get the site clearance from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Hane go katkum ka anjung environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance nanta ka scientific coal mining. Some hectares seneng mila yo eka clearance. Ka authority kala ban I clearance yapi some hectares seneng. That is why we challenge in the High Court. Namar ba ka an ka klem ong yingi ba no you have to have 100 hectares of land to do coal mining. Ka an ka klem ong ka an ka ong 5 hectares lading page ka environmental clearance. Some hectares seneng mila ban continue ka mining. Lani laga MMDR 1957 4 hectares above we can do scientific mining. So the law does not say that no you have to have 100 hectares to do mining. The laws allowed you within 100 hectares or so. That is our main purpose that for which we are challenging India before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, and we are seeking for justice. Thank you. The case, the next hearing is on this coming weeks, maybe yes, next hearing, final hearing for 2 or 3 around this week. So we'll know whether the inheritors will stay or the inheritor will be removed. 12A and para 12B. According to 6 Schedule para 12A, there is no such provisions which the Autonomous Council or the state legislature can make rules regarding coal mining. So I don't know on which principle of law, beyond which provision of law the state government is framing the SOP. Because according to the law of 6 Schedule 244 and 275, paragraph 12A and B, there is no such provisions of law which says that the Autonomous Council and the state legislature have the power to make coal mining policy. See, they don't have the authority. So I don't know under which provision of law which they are framing. So according to MMDR Act 1957 also, the state cannot make a law for coal mining. They can only frame a policy. They can frame a policy, but framing a policy is not a part of law. It can be taken as a suggestion. See, 100 hectares, you are saying that 100 hectares an area should be for 100 hectares for mining of coal. But saying should be, this is not a law. This can be taken as a suggestion. See, export can be considered as a suggestion, but export cannot be considered as a part of law. Law is law, code is code, suggestion is different, export is different. These all things cannot be considered as a part of law. So we do not accept SOP as a law. We can accept SOP as a suggestion. Yes, maybe in future we need 100 hectares for scientific coal mining, but that is a suggestion. That is not a part of law. But the state government is making it a law. You need to have 100 hectares of land, which we will never accept. And the forum will always stand stronger to protect the rights of the people, to protect the underground, beneath rights of the people. The forum will always stand stronger to protect the people. As per the MMDR Act 1957, as per the Environmental Act, which I've already said before, that the environment clearance, they allowed even 5 hectares of land also to do scientific coal mining. So the state government should go as per the law, as per the act. Let's do coal mining as per the law within 5 hectares of land, within 10 hectares of land, which the expert already allows us. So why the state government is not allowing us? So this is just already I've said, this is nothing but just like what the members of Honorable President of HYC said.